Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Would you guys like to try on some drugstore makeup with me? If so, stay tuned. Here are the two palettes. They're fun and bright of colors. So let's make a look. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with this color right here. There is no names to these colors. Watch out for the fallout. Ooh, fallout. I hate when it falls out like that. I've been wearing Covergirl for years. I don't know about everyone else, but I know I have. It's a pretty color. So how's everyone doing lately? Since all this crazy rioting stuff. It's even happening in like my hometown. And the Finger Lakes, and even in Rochester, New York, which is like a hop, skip, and a jump from where I live. People are destroying things everywhere. It's crazy, it's sickening. But so the next color I'm going to go in is with this rosy looking color. It's got a little purple shim to it. And I'm going to be placing that on the outside. Oh my god, there's so much fallout. Woo. That's looking pretty good. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, because I'm having hundreds of people watch my videos, but they're not liking them, nor are they subscribing, but they watch the whole video. It just makes no sense to me. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm liking it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the other palette and use this purple right here to blend in a little bit. These are really beautiful palettes, but the fallout's pretty bad. I love Covergirl. I can't talk today. Covergirl. That's pretty. Wow. Whew. And don't mind my Mr. Batman in the background. This is my kitty cat Batman. Batman, say hi. That's my baby boy. He's having a riot on his little tower. This is a really nice, like, This look could go with anything, really. I think because I'm wearing green, I think I'm gonna add some green into it. Let's see how that works out. Oh, this is a pretty green. Wow. Look at this green and the purple. It looks great. John, do you see it?
Yes, beautiful. You're a beautiful beauty.
Thank you, sweetheart.
He's having a lot of fun on that new town.
Isn't he, right? Look at my cat. He's a nutball. Just like his mom.
And a brand new tower today.
People are going to love him more than me. I'm just patting the fallout away. So I'm going to go in with this really nice color right here. And I'm going to highlight.
He loves that thing. Be careful.
Oh, is he being obnoxious?
He's getting rowdy. He loves that tower.
Oh.
You love your new tower, Batman?
Makeup with Batman. Look at that look. It's beautiful. I love it. You can get a lot of different looks from this palette, you know, the two palettes. I believe they were $11.99 a piece, $12 at I got it at the local drugstore at Walgreens. I noticed they really don't have too many palettes when it comes to drugstore makeup, at least where I live. So that's that. It's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and put a color in underneath my crease. I mean my waterline. I don't know what color I want to use. Should I go with the green or the purple? For underneath my eyes.
Green.
Green. I thought so too.
Get it, Batman. Oh, he's gonna start curling around that bookshelf and start knocking stuff over. That's okay.
No, I won't.
Get your toy, Batman.
There's the first eye. And you can see Batman over there playing with his favorite toy. He is like the champion of when it comes to that toy. People, if you have a cat, buy him one of these toys. I think they're like 10 bucks. They're great. My hubby's so wonderful, he like had to take it apart in sections, and we had to try to get up the stairwell, which was real fun.
Be careful, Batman. Don't fall off.
And you can hear my husband in the background directing the cat. So that's it. I think this look is really pretty. You could use it for any time. It's more kind of like a darker look, but
It's gorgeous.
I love it. I think it came out great. There was a lot of fallout, but you know what? It's a drugstore palette. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm going to go do the rest of my eyes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is my final look I came up with. I think it's great. My lips is from a company called Netty Bird. I love Netty Bird Cosmetics. They're great. If you have not heard of them, go check them out. I know they have a sale going on right now. They always have sales going on. Their makeup is worth the money. Trust me, I love it. But besides that, Covergirl, I like the eyes. There was a lot of fallout, but it's typical. No offense, but when I've used your makeup before, there's always fallout when it comes to your eyeshadows. Besides that, I really enjoy the look. I gotta say it's Alli approved, but I'm loving it. Right, Batman? We loving it? We're loving it. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and support me as much as you can. I would really appreciate it.